Hi and welcome to my channel. So first, if you're going to start this project, what you're going to need to do is kind of find the shape that you want to go with. I'm looking at a Google picture and I'm just drawing it out on a piece of cardboard with a pencil, and then I finally decide what shape I want, and then I end up cutting it out. Then you're going to take that same shape and you're going to trace it on another piece of cardboard. And don't worry about there being like words or anything ugly on the cardboard because we will be covering it up. Also, make sure you guys do get the wire for the wings. It helps make them sturdy and stand up. So if you don't use it, I think the cardboard will bend. But this you can get at like a craft store or at Walmart, and it's like literally where they make the jewelry. I will also have a whole list of everything that you'll need to make these wings in the description box. So here I have my sister kind of measuring out the distance of where I want the wings to be before I connect them with that one piece of cardboard. So right here is where I should have added the elastic for the straps, but you will see it further along in the video that I do lift up the felt. I already add the felt. I will lift up the felt and then I add another piece of cardboard with wire and the elastic for the straps. But if you do mess up, you can always go back. Then to cover up the tape, I'm using felt. Felt is so cheap. You can find it at the craft store or at Walmart for literally 25 cents. So that's what we're doing, and I'm using a glue gun for literally everything in this video because I need things to dry quick. You see, so this is where I messed up, but then I was able to lift up the felt, kind of add the elastic, and then close it back up. And it doesn't even matter if it looks ugly because you're going to cover it up with the feathers anyway. So for the packs of feathers, I got them all from Walmart, and then I had like the boa, it was from the dollar store. I ended up not even using that. But I ended up using 5 packs instead of 4. I used a little bit more than I thought I would, but if you want it fluffier, just get more packs. They're literally less than $2. And then the ostrich feathers, I think they were about like $13 for this pack, and I got it off Amazon. I will have the link below. And then I'm just figuring out where I want the placement of the feathers. I wanted the larger feathers on the outer parts of the wings and then the smaller ones on the inner parts. And I think it turned out so beautiful. I really love it. So if you really want to make the wings look elegant, I went ahead and went to Hobby Lobby. I found this type of ribbon. I thought it was so beautiful. I wanted to use it for the straps, so that's what I did. But if you do glue it on, it kind of does prevent it from being like super stretchy, the elastic part, but it still worked out. They look amazing. And that is the finished product of my DIY wings. I hope you guys really found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more frequently. And thank you again. Bye.
Hi, Vinay.